High Voltage Maintenance. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex North American electrical safety codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course covers safety procedures, testing, and maintenance for high-voltage systems. Students gain a solid understanding of working safely around high-voltage equipment in substations and industrial settings. What you'll learn. Students will learn essential high-voltage safety and hazard prevention, interpret system diagrams and utility connections, and study key switchgear components like breakers and transformers. They will learn safe switching, how to use proper PPE, and manage electrical systems under normal and fault conditions. This course delivers practical instruction and emphasizes safe work practices and compliance with national safety standards. Who should attend? This course is designed for electrical engineers, maintenance personnel, electricians, contractors, and technicians involved in the design, operation, or maintenance of electrical systems in utility, industrial, and institutional power systems. This course comes with a high-voltage maintenance certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, 100-page electrical maintenance handbook, and a $100 coupon toward future EFTI training. Strengthen your knowledge of high-voltage safety and compliance. Register today for EFTI's high-voltage training online.